Yo, what's up everyone? It's Albert Varzen and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future because, let's be real, AI is no longer some distant sci-fi concept. Think about it. Self-driving cars aren't just prototypes anymore, they're on the streets. AI-powered assistants are in our pockets helping us navigate our days. So in this video, we're breaking down 5 essential skills you need to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI. Are you ready for the revolution? All right, first up, we got to talk data. It's the foundation of everything we do in the AI world. Why? Because in the AI world, data is the fuel, the lifeblood, the everything. Without data, AI is just a fancy concept with no real power. AI algorithms, especially the really powerful ones like those deep learning networks, they're all about crunching massive amounts of data to learn patterns, make predictions, and basically figure out how things work. They need data to train, to improve, and to function effectively. So if you understand data, you understand how to talk to AI, how to feed it, how to make it work for you. It's like having a conversation with a very smart friend who needs the right information to give you the best advice. Now, you might be thinking, data analysis sounds kind of intense. And yeah, it can seem that way at first. But hold on, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Once you get the hang of it, it can actually be quite fun and rewarding. Think of it like this. Every time you scroll through your social media feed, you're interacting with data. Those likes, shares, and comments are all data points. Every time you shop online, boom, more data. Your browsing history, your purchase patterns, all of it is data that can be analyzed. And guess what? There are tools out there to help you make sense of it all. From simple spreadsheets to advanced data visualization software, the options are endless. We're talking about things like spreadsheets, data visualization software, even free online courses that can teach you the basics. Start small. You don't need to be a data scientist to get started. Maybe analyze your own spending habits, track your fitness progress, or even look at trends in your favorite video game. These are all great ways to practice and get comfortable with data. The key is to get comfortable with looking at numbers and seeing the stories they tell. Data is not just numbers, it's a narrative waiting to be discovered. Trust me, once you start seeing those patterns, you'll be hooked. It's like solving a puzzle, and the satisfaction of finding the pieces that fit is unmatched. And hey, if you want to take it to the next level, there are tons of online resources and courses that can teach you more advanced data analysis techniques. The learning never stops. The more you learn, the more you can do. The possibilities are endless when you master the art of data analysis. Whether you're a marketer trying to understand customer behavior, a scientist analyzing research results, or an entrepreneur looking for the next big opportunity, data analysis is your secret weapon. It gives you insights that can drive decisions and strategies. Embrace it, learn it, master it. Make data your ally. It's your ticket to navigating the AI revolution and coming out on top. With data analysis skills, you'll be equipped to tackle any challenge and seize any opportunity that comes your way. Now let's talk about the skill that often feels like you're learning another language, because you kind of are programming. I know, for some of you the thought of writing lines of code might seem as appealing as, well, let's just say not appealing. It can be intimidating and frustrating at first. But trust me on this one. Learning to code, even at a basic level, is like unlocking a superpower in the age of AI. Imagine being able to create something from nothing, just by typing on your keyboard. Here's why code is the language that makes AI tick. It's the foundation upon which all modern technology is built. When you understand code, you understand the building blocks of these incredible technologies. You gain insight into how things work behind the scenes. You don't need to be the next coding wizard. But having a basic understanding of how software works gives you a massive advantage. It opens up new opportunities and enhances your problem-solving skills. Think about it. If you can read and write, you can consume and create content. You can express your ideas and share them with the world. Well, with coding, it's the same thing. You can bring your ideas to life and create digital solutions that can impact many. You can understand and even shape the digital world around you. You become a creator, not just a consumer. Plus, let's be real, learning to code is way easier than it's ever been. The resources available today are vast and accessible. Now all you need is a laptop and an internet connection, that's it. You're ready to start your coding journey. There are countless free resources, interactive tutorials, and online communities that can guide you every step of the way. Whether you're into Python, JavaScript, or even something a little more visual like Scratch, there's a programming language out there for you. Each language has its own strengths and use cases. There's a programming language out there for you. And the best part, you don't have to go it alone. The journey is much more enjoyable with others. The online coding community is massive and incredibly supportive. You'll find people from all walks of life eager to help and share their knowledge. So find your tribe, ask questions, and don't be afraid to experiment. Dive in, make mistakes, and learn from them. That's how you grow. Chapter 3. Level up your thinking, critical thinking in the AI age. All right, let's talk about a skill that's not just for Sherlock Holmes anymore, critical thinking. See, in the age of AI, where information overload is the norm and algorithms are constantly vying for our attention, the ability to think critically, to analyze information, and to separate fact from fiction is more crucial than ever. AI can process massive amounts of data, but it can't replace the nuanced critical thinking that makes us human. AI can give you answers, but it's up to you to ask the right questions, to evaluate those answers, and to determine their validity. Think of it like this. AI is like having a superpowered calculator, but critical thinking is knowing which equations to plug in and how to interpret the results. It's about understanding the limitations of AI, recognizing potential biases, and being able to think for yourself. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how do I actually improve my critical thinking skills? Well, it's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start by questioning everything. Don't just accept information at face value, especially online. Dig deeper, look for evidence, consider different perspectives, and challenge your own assumptions. Engage in healthy debates, read widely from diverse sources, and don't be afraid to change your mind when presented with new information. In the age of AI, critical thinking is your superpower. Chapter 4. Unleash your inner innovator creativity in the age of AI. Now let's talk about the one thing that AI can't replicate, yet at least human creativity. See, in a world where AI is automating tasks left and right, it's our uniquely human ability to think outside the box, to come up with innovative solutions, and to bring our imaginations to life that will truly set us apart. Now you might be thinking, but isn't AI already creating art, music, even writing stories? And yeah, it's true. AI is capable of generating some pretty impressive stuff, but here's the key difference. AI creates based on patterns and data it's been trained on. It can mimic, it can remix, but it can't truly innovate in the same way that we can. Human creativity is about more than just following rules or replicating patterns. It's about emotion, intuition, inspiration, and that spark of something new that comes from within. It's about connecting the dots in unexpected ways, seeing possibilities where others see limitations, and bringing something truly original into the world. So how do you cultivate this superpower of creativity in the age of AI? Well, it starts with embracing curiosity. Ask questions, explore new ideas, experiment with different mediums, and don't be afraid to fail. Remember, some of the greatest innovations came from happy accidents and unexpected detours. Surround yourself with inspiration, whether it's art, music, nature, or even just interesting conversations. Feed your mind with new experiences, travel to new places, or even virtually, and expose yourself to different cultures and perspectives. In the age of AI, creativity is not just a nice to have, it's a must have. Engage in activities that challenge your mind and push your creative boundaries. Read books, watch documentaries, and learn from the masters in various fields. Attend workshops, seminars, and exhibitions to keep your creative juices flowing. And don't forget to take care of your mental and physical well-being, as a healthy mind and body are crucial for sustained creativity. Celebrate your creative achievements, no matter how small, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In this ever-evolving landscape, your creativity is your greatest asset. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it shine. Chapter 5. The Moral Code, Navigating the Ethics of AI. Okay, we've talked about the technical skills, the creative skills, but now it's time to get real about something equally important, the ethical implications of AI. See, as AI becomes more powerful and integrated into our lives, we have a responsibility to make sure it's used for good, that it's fair, unbiased, and respects our values. Because here's the thing. AI doesn't have morals, it doesn't have ethics, it doesn't understand consequences. It operates based on the data it's been trained on and the instructions it's been given. Which means, if we're not careful, we could end up creating AI systems that perpetuate biases, discriminate against certain groups, or even cause harm. We've already seen examples of this, from biased algorithms used in hiring processes to facial recognition software that struggles with accuracy across different demographics. These aren't just technical glitches, they're ethical failures. And it's our responsibility to address them. So what can we do? Well, it starts with awareness. We need to educate ourselves about the potential ethical pitfalls of AI, to understand how bias can creep into algorithms, and to be mindful of the impact our creations can have on society. The future of AI isn't predetermined. It's being written right now, and we all have a say in how that story unfolds. The future is now. Your AI journey starts today. So, there you have it, the 5 essential skills to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI. Remember, the AI revolution isn't some distant event, it's happening right now. But instead of fearing it, let's embrace it. How do you plan to develop in the field of AI? We want to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.